going to show you how to do this Tunisian honeycomb stitch, and you'll need a like a crochet knitting needle, which is very long. I don't have one, but that's why I'm just showing you a sample of how to do this on here. So I made less chains, but if you make a very wide pattern here, you'll need the long hook for the Tunisian for crocheting. So this one I did use an H hook. It just depends on how thick you would want it. I used medium worsted yarn. There's no right or wrong hook, it just depends on how thick and big you would like it. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook. For this type of Tunisian stitch, it's best to have a long crochet hook, but for the sample, I'm going to do a small sample, so I'm not going to use that type of hook, but if you like to have many stitches on your hook, it's best to get a very long hook that looks like a knitting needle, but it has the hook on the end. So I'm going to do a chain 10 to show you this sample, but you can do any type or any chain count for the Tunisian honeycomb stitch. So you're going to yarn over and pull through for your chains. I'm going to do 10. And if you are new to the Tunisian stitch, I'm going to show you how to do that. And what you'll do is you're going to insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, insert your hook and then drop your loop. Instead of pulling your loop through, you're just going to continue to the next chain. Insert your hook, drop your loop by yarning over, and you're going to continue that into the next chain until you get to the end. So you'll have all of your loops on your hook. That's the beginning of the Tunisian basic. So it's going to look like this on your hook. Now we're going to do a reverse row. So you're going to do a chain 1 to start, so yarn over and pull through. You should have 10 loops on your hook after you did the chain 10. So yarn over and pull through 1 for chain 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2 each time until you get to the end. So pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then just repeat that until you get to the end. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so you're at the beginning here. This bar to start, you're going to skip. Then you're going to go to the next bar, and you're going to start with a simple stitch by inserting your hook, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, and then go to the next bar, but this time you're going to bring your yarn down, and this is called a purl, and you're going to insert your hook and then wrap the yarn around and pull it through, and then you're going to go back to the next stitch, which is the simple, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then go back to a purl. So you're alternating between a purl and the simple stitch here. So bring your yarn down, insert your hook, wrap your yarn around and pull through 1 loop, and then go back to a simple, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and then do a purl. So bring your yarn down and wrap around, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, insert your hook, bring your yarn down for the purl, yarn over and pull through, and then make sure you do your last stitch here, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. So I started with the simple, ended with the simple. You should have 10 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then have the same chain count that you started with on your hook for the loops. Yarn over, and you're going to do reverse and pull through 1, yarn over and then pull through 2 each time, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And then it's going to look like this. Once you do the reverse, make sure you pull through 1 and then 2 all the way till the end. Okay, when you get to this part here, you're going to skip this first bar. Then you're going to have this bar and this bar, and these are the alternating bars from your previous row. And because you did the simple stitch here, you're going to, which is the bigger bar, you're going to do a purl and skip this first one, draw your yarn down, insert your hook into that bar, and then yarn over and pull through 1 loop. And then you're going to go to your alternating stitch, which is the simple, because that was your purl from before, so you're going to go, which is the smaller bar. Go into a simple, yarn over and pull through, and then you're going to go down and do a purl. Draw your yarn down again, insert your hook and pull through, and then you're going to go to a single or a simple, and then a purl, and you're just alternating between the two, and then a simple, and then a purl, and then a simple. Okay, that purl didn't go through very well. And then a simple, and then I'm ending with a purl to bring my yarn down, yarn over and pull through, and make sure you have 10 loops, the loops that you started with for your chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10. And that's important to keep track of your chain count so you know you're on track. And then you're going to do the reverse again. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 And then yarn over, pull through 2. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to start with your alternating stitches again. You're going to skip this one and then go to the next one. In your previous row you did your purl, so you're going to start with your simple, I'm sorry. Yarn over, pull through. Then you're going to alternate and do a purl, and then a simple in the next, and then a purl. On the longer bar you're going to do a purl because that was a simple, and then in the small one you're going to do a simple. So alternate between the two. Make sure you have 10 bars on your row, or 10 loops on your row when you're finished, and then do a reverse back and then alternate between the two. So if you did a simple here, your next row after your reverse you'll do a purl and then alternate purl, simple, until you get to the end. Okay, and this is how you do this stitch. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.